In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your keyboard on iPhone to Chinese. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can freely switch between various different keyboard languages on an iPhone. You will be able to do this on any iPhone model. To start, go over into the settings and access the General category. Inside of General, look for Keyboard. So as you can see, if you scroll down, you will find it here, right below Date and Time. On the Keyboard settings, tap Keyboards at the top and you will see all of the keyboard languages that you have set up on your iPhone. Now tap on Add New Keyboard. This will allow you to browse through all of the keyboard languages available, and you will find Chinese Simplified and Chinese Traditional. You can add multiple, so if you prefer, you can add both of them and also other ones, so it won't remove the currently set up keyboard. So just choose them here and add them into the list. And like I said before, it is going to appear right here below the main one that you are using. You can make it the default one if you prefer, but assuming that you still want to have the English as the default and switch to Chinese periodically, just tap and hold on this globe icon here. When you tap and hold on this globe icon, all of the keyboard options that you currently have set up will appear and you can swap between them. So let's say, for example, your keyboard is set to English, you tap and hold on this, one of the options that appears is going to be Chinese. And then your keyboard is going to be updated like this. After you are done, if you want to return to English, you just tap and hold on this icon again and choose English from the list once more. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.